All right, I'm in my shed. It's a big mess, real big mess. Anyway, I'm I got to clean this up because I got to put this is my entrance door here. Got stuff all back in there. But anyway, this is a good size door. That's the other side of the big door, and then out there leads out to my drive. When these swing open, it's plenty big to get a good sized car. I could get my truck in here or a good sized car in here. But right now I can't because I got junk in the way. But what I'm gonna do is, of course, from this wall. Of course, I do have a little space over there. I can still store stuff there, but from this wall over here to my left, all the way over to this support pole here, I'm gonna clean all this up, and then I'm gonna figure out where the groundhogs have dug. Um, like right here, I definitely need to do something out here because I don't want a vehicle to fall into one of these things when I try to pull it in here. So I gotta kind of get it to a point to where this part is level with this part here, and I need to make sure I knock in all the tunnels and holes out there and fill it in. I don't know if I'm gonna do gravel, dirt. If I do dirt, they'll just dig it out. If I put gravel, they may not like that. They may not do it again. Also, I've thought about gravel and concrete, kind of gravel and concrete in some of this area. And if I do that, I could actually bring that up level with this kind of like a little ramp coming up to where my foot is here, because it's a step down. I'm gonna say there's maybe 4 or 5 inches, but I don't want to have to hit this with the front end of a vehicle to get that into the shed. And so I'm going to rearrange all this, clean it up, make it nicer and cleaner. But my first step is to grab a trash bag. You can see I've already got some trash in there, little odds and ends sitting around. I got to watch out for spiders too. Look at that spider web. But I've got to watch out for spiders out here, because over the past few years I've been battling the brown recluse spiders. They don't do that. Another type of spider does that. But anyway, you never know where a brown recluse spider is going to be, and that's why I need to put on my gloves to be able to, do that. Because I got a lot to go through, a lot to clean up. And a lot to rearrange. And I need to protect my hands from those little things, because the tiniest little brown recluse can mess you up. And so, yeah, some more trash down there. But that's a big job I'm working on now. And every time I see my fishing gear, it makes me want to go to the lake or down to the river, do some fishing. Oh man, maybe I'll just forget about the shed and gardening and just go fishing. What do y'all think? Let me know. I got several poles here I need to clean up and put new line on. I did buy some new line sitting in the house, just waiting on me to put on these poles. Gosh. Oh well. Anyway. Hey, my lawnmower. I need to break that out. Break out that lawnmower and use it. Maybe that can cut down all the... I'm not going to use this lawnmower. My wife likes that lawnmower for some crazy reason, but I've never liked it. Anyway, that's a big job I've got to do. And I need to get this thing going. This is the lawnmower. That's one of those, what do you call this thing? I forgot. It's a big trimmer. See the big thing? It's like a weed eater on steroids. But last time I tried, I couldn't get this engine started, so I need to tear this engine apart, and just like I need to do all my other stuff. But I'm gonna have a big engine repairing video coming out sometime soon. I mean, lawnmower type engines and things. So this one actually has a battery back there, and a key start. See the key? But I need to get me a battery for that. That way I can key start it and not break my arm trying to do the pull thing. Oh man, I'd freak out if this thing started. Oh well. Okay. So there we go. Oh man. There's I don't know if you can see through that. There's another project. Oh my gosh. All right. Ooh, let me get that out of the way. Sorry about that. But right now I'm collecting some tools to go and do some work elsewhere. Figured while I was in here I'd go grab a trash bag and pick up some trash. You know, got to start somewhere. So trying to gather up all my different types of tools because I'm going to make me a spot out here. There's going to be one workbench is going to be, you know, kind of have my tools set up for my like my regular tools, like things I use on the truck and things I'd use on the lawnmower and stuff like that. And then my other workbench over there, I think that's going to be my woodworking workbench. I need to mount a fluorescent light over that. And plus I got three other fluorescent lights out here. Four other fluorescent lights I need to work on and get going again. I did order the replacement bulbs. Well, actually I didn't order them. I went to Walmart, got them. But I got a 12-pack, I think it was, of the replacement bulbs for the fluorescent lights, but they're actually the LED. So we're going to try those out and see how those work. And on the box it said all you got to do is pop out the old fluorescent light and pop in the new LED lights and it should kick up and go, just like you would replace a regular fluorescent light. So I think the only difference is you have to make sure the LEDs are actually pointing out and not in. So we'll see how that goes. I'll make a video of that. And if you want to see what more I do in my shed and my lawnmowers and my fishing gear, then go ahead and subscribe. Give me some thumbs up and make some comments. Thank you. All right. There's my mobile mechanic shop. Oh, I'm going to take that out. I love that little red wagon. Sears and Roebuck and Company. They used to be a really good company. I don't know much about them anymore. So, anyway, talk to you later. Bye.